The other subtraction strategy that we focus on in the 3rd grade is called counting on. You saw the last video where we're subtracting by the number line, and we do not subtract by place value. It's not a good way to subtract numbers if you have to end up regrouping the numbers. So the other one that we focus on is called counting on. The 3rd grade is trying to raise $832 for a big field trip. So far they have collected $312. How much more money do they need to collect? We're still going to use a number line for this strategy, but instead of starting and then taking off numbers, we know where we're starting. They said that we had $312 so far, so we know the start point. We also know that they're trying to get to 832. So we know the start, we know the end, we just have to figure out how much more do we need. You can add on any way you want to, just like the number lines. So here's one way you could do it. You could say 312 plus 8 gets you to 320. That's nice because you're getting to a nice even 10. And then 320 plus 80 gets you to a nice even 100. And then 400 plus 400 gets you to 800. And if you add 30 more, it gets you to 830. And then 2 more gets you to your goal of 832. Then you have to figure out, well, how much did we add on from 312 to get to 832? Here's the numbers I added: the 8, 80, 400, 30, and the 2. Just by combining numbers that are easier to add, I'm going to go ahead and put the 8 and the 2 together. That makes 10. And we still have the 80, the 400, and the 30. And if we combine the 30 and the 10, that's 40. We still have the 80 and the 400. And then if we combine the 80 and the 40, that makes 120. Again, 8 plus 4 is 12. So 8 tens plus 4 tens is 12 tens. We still have the 400. And this is 520 because 400 plus 100 is 500 plus 20 more. Here is another way you could do it. Another of many, many, many endless possibilities. So if we start at 312, if you want to just add on a bunch of ones, that's fine. You get to 313, 314, 315, 316, 317, 318, 319, 320. And at this point, if you want to add a 10, get you to 330. You could keep adding tens and then hundreds, but I chose to add 2 more ones to get to 332. Since we're getting to 832, then we can start jumping by hundreds, and which is 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, and now we're to our goal again of 832. When we add all of these up, I combined all of the ones. So I combined these ones plus these 2, and that was 10 total, plus the 10, plus all the hundreds, and that still equals 520 more that they need.